Is it possible? Will the man convicted of killing Holly Bobo get a second day in court? Tonight, exclusive new developments on the status of Zach Adams' appeal. As News Channel 5's Nick Barris tells us, there is a very real possibility he could get a new trial.
You know, it happens with all life sentences, like the one that Zach Adams received. The defense always appeals. Very rarely do those appeals go anywhere, but in the Holly Bobo case, I'm told there are some significant issues for the appellate court to explore.
It would be malpractice to not appeal a case where somebody gets life in prison without the possibility of parole.
And Zach Adams' attorney Jennifer Thompson now says, nearly 2 years later, that is exactly what she is doing.
It's standard attorney procedure.
A jury found her client Adams guilty of first-degree murder in the high-profile Holly Bobo trial in 2017. The case against him was almost entirely circumstantial and hinged heavily on the testimony of co-defendant Jason Autry. In chilling testimony at trial, he told the jury Adams killed Bobo, and Autry admitted he tried to help dispose of her body.
I grabbed the upper torso of Miss Bobo. Zach come around, let the tailgate down. I brought the upper torso to the end of the tailgate.
Many believe Autry cut a plea deal for his testimony, but he is still locked up. Why? Well, legal expert Jim Todd says there's a reason prosecutors are in no hurry to resolve the case against their ace witness.
The state is concerned that if the case is reversed, and in my opinion there's a strong likelihood of that they'll need him again.
So what are the grounds for a new trial? Todd believes there were clear instances of improper testimony that the jury never should have heard. For instance, testimony linking Adams to prior bad acts like drug use and past arrests. The appellate court may well determine such testimony tainted the jury verdict. The bottom line, the Bobo case is far from closed.
No, that case is not over. They're still planning on the appeal.
That appeal could be filed before the end of the summer. The defense is simply waiting right now for the court to approve the full transcripts of all testimony that will be used to make the case for the defense. Nick Barris, News Channel 5.
Thank you, Nick. Once the appeal is filed, it will take several months for the appellate court to respond. If a new trial is granted, it likely would not come before sometime late next year.